Like Sissy?
That's pretty.
Ooh.
That's green, and then there's yellow and purple.
I said, what do you want in your Easter basket? And he said, eggs, he told me. Is that the purple?
Yes.
It's kind of brown.
Yes.
It sort of look like Marie's.
Okay, go ahead. Dip it. Yeah. You can dip it in there.
Oh. That's pretty.
Oh, look at Daddy's. Do you like Daddy's? Go ahead. Do what you want, baby. Put it on anything you want.